Hey, it's Dom from 12 Tomatoes. We're bringing you yet another video. We're gonna make some grilled corn Esquites, or as you know it, Elote in a cup. We all love Elote. It is so good, brushed in a little bit of the crema, rolled in the cotija and topped with some chili powder. We're gonna take all that corn and we're gonna throw it in a nice big bowl so we can serve everybody. It is so good. Definitely something you have to make this summer. Let's do it.
All right, so you're gonna start with your ears of corn right over a nice open fire, get it nice and charred on all sides, including that little baby jalapeno. You don't gotta go crazy, just get it a little charred. Then you're gonna take this awesome corn cob peeler, peel all the kernels off. Look at how amazing that does. And then you're just gonna remove the skin from the jalapeno and blend that up with some garlic, some sour cream, a little mayo, and some lime juice. We're using an immersion blender here, but you can use a normal blender. The immersion blender just happens to be faster. Then you're gonna take that crema, you're gonna toss it with all of that nice roasty toasty corn alongside some cotija cheese and some cilantro. And that's it. All you can do, you can bake it, get it nice and warm and roasty toasty, melt some of that cheese, but you can serve it as is with some chili powder. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh yeah. Oh, that scoop. Oh yeah, that one's mine.
12 Tomatoes.